Bob blwyddyn mae aelodau CFI Cymru yn cael y gyfle i deithio i bedwar barn y byd. Dros y blynyddoedd mae ein aelodau wedi gwneud ffrindiau a chysylltiadau ar bob cyfandir. Mae'r teithiau yn ymrywio o deithiau lle rydych yn byw gyda teuluoedd, i deithiau intereilio amgylch Ewrop a taith grŵp i Batagonia. Rydyn ni hefyd wedi rhoi cyfleoedd i wirfoddoli mewn gwledydd llai ffodus na ni. Dyma flas o brofiadau rhai o'r aelodau i chi. Every year, Wales YFC members get the opportunity to travel around the world on our international programme. Over the years, our members have made friends and contacts on almost every continent. The trips range from homestays with families in different countries to interrailing across Europe to a group trip to Patagonia. There is something for everyone. Our members have also had the opportunity to volunteer in third world countries. Here is a taster of the experiences some members have had. Enjoy.
But look into the future like a window. Fill me up like a big balloon. What's floating up? Let me see the world from a better view.
members of Wales YFC. My name is Sebastian Lasnik and I'm the chairperson of Rural Youth Europe. Today I'm happy to explain you what Rural Youth Europe is all about and what we are doing. Rural Youth Europe was established in 1957 and functions as an umbrella organizations for young farmers clubs and rural youth organizations all around Europe. Today we are consisting out of 23 member organizations and approximately 500,000 grassroots members as you are. Well, what we are doing, we are mainly organizing international and online training courses and intercultural events where you all can participate in. Roughly we are organizing such online and on-spot events 6 to 8 times a year, and our main event is actually the European Rally, which you might have heard of already. Secondly, we are also pushing very hard to raise the rural voice and to make our needs and pains in the rural areas and for young farmers heard. So we are also pushing very hard into policy to raise our voice. So those are actually the main two things Rural Youth Europe is doing. I'm very much looking forward to welcome you all at one of our online or on-spot events very soon. All the best up until then. Bye bye.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Yeah, there will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long till I hit the dance
With a bang.
floor, hit the dance
With a
floor.
bang.
I got all I need.
See.
I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you
Baby,
and me.
I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no
You
money.
worth more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the beat.
Make the day just take control.
I don't need no
You worth more
money.
than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I give thanks.
Free up yourself, get out of control.
I don't need no money.
You worth more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I give thanks.
Free up yourself, get out of control.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no
You worth more
money.
than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I give thanks.
Free up yourself, get out of control.
What will I take?
Hi all, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video here today. If you'd like to know anything else about Rural Youth Europe, please follow us on Facebook, search Rural Youth Europe. We're also on Instagram and Twitter. Or if you would like to know what I do specifically, please follow my Instagram account, RY Europe Group 1 Rep. And it gives a bit of a day-to-day insight of what I do specifically. So those that don't know me, my name is Niall Evans. I'm from Bilfwell's Young Farmers in Brecknock, and I am the representative for the UK and Ireland on the board of Rural Youth Europe. Sebastian sort of explained what we do earlier on. So if you would like to know anything more, please get in contact. If I can help, I will. If you can't go to me directly, contact the Wales office and they'll put you in my direction. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day.
Gobeithio eich bod wedi mwynhau gweld y amrywiaeth o gyfleoedd sydd ar gael trwy rhaglen rhwngwladol CFI Cymru. Bydd rhaglen 2021 yn cael ei gyhoeddi cyn hir, felly cofiwch gadw llygad allan amdano. Ac os yw syniad gyda chi am daith hoffwch ei weld ar y rhaglen, cofiwch i gysylltu gyda ni. Fel pwyllgor, rydym yn gwneud ein gorau i ddarparu cyfleoedd sydd at ddant bawb. Mae'r adborth wrth pawb sydd wedi teithio hyd yn hyn wedi bod yn bositif iawn ac mae pawb wedi mwynhau'r cyfle a'r profiad. Felly, pwy a wyr, efallai mae chi fydd yn rhannu eich atgofion gyda ni blwyddyn nesaf.
I hope you have enjoyed looking at the opportunities the Wales YFC travel programme has to offer. The 2021 programme will be launched soon, so keep in touch to see if there's a suitable trip for you, or even better, get in touch with suggestions on trips you would be interested in adding to the programme in the future. As a committee, we are doing our very best to provide the programme with a broad itinerary with something for everyone to be involved with. Everyone that I've spoken to who has experienced the programme has loved every second of it, and recommends it thoroughly to everyone. So, who knows? Maybe you'll be sharing your travel experience with us this time next year. Thank you.